Alright guys, here we are for our unboxing for our September company, the Bearded Pup. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for our September company, the Bearded Pup. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and let's dive into this thing. But before I do, I got to give you a funny story about this. So Bearded Pup is based out of Ohio. I am in South Georgia, and Ron sent me a message and said, hey, here's a picture of your label, here's the tracking number, it's on the way to you. Is that okay? So I checked tracking numbers because I live in South Georgia and I have a black mailbox, and some beard products tend to melt in this South Georgia heat. So I kept watching the tracking number, and here it come. It showed me a day that it was supposed to be delivered. Well, the day it was supposed to be delivered, I checked the tracking number and it was in Colorado. Ohio, Georgia, Colorado, I don't know. So evidently a shipment that was coming to Georgia got rerouted and sent to Colorado for some reason. But either way, it arrived. Now, I haven't opened this, so I hope that it didn't get too hot in some of those transport vehicles and it's all together. Now, when it got in the mail, I threw it in the refrigerator for a little while, but hopefully everything is good to go. All right, so what I'm gonna be using to open this today is my Gerber Prybrid X. Now, I did a review of this. I'll put a card up top, you can check it out. But it's little EDC tool with a X-Acto blade knife. So that's what we're gonna go with today. And check this out. Now, something that I noticed very first when I got this package was all of the stamps and the logos all around this box. So let's just take a look at that now that we're open up. We got the Bearded Pup, Bearded Pup, Bearded Pup, Bearded Pup. It is labeled up very well. I really like that. So let's get into this. As you can see, all right, what do we have? Oh, we've got a full letter. All right, in the early spring, this is what we have. It's on nice paper too. All right, so our story. In the early spring of 2013, Roxie, our 9-year-old boxer, started having seizures from a brain tumor. The episodes became so violent and frequent that we had to make the dreaded decision to have her put down. About 2 years later, I was searching for something to help with the itching and the flakes I was experiencing in my baby beard. There wasn't a beard oil company on every corner back then like there is now. So I ordered a few things online. Most of them were pretty horrible. I thought I could do better than this myself, so I got carrier oils and quality essential oils and began blending recipes for personal use. Several locals tried my oils and loved them, so we decided to create a small business out of it. I told my wife that I had thought it would be neat if we could implement Roxie into our logo. So we had a graphic design artist put a beard on Roxie, and we had a logo but no name. My nickname at my real job has been Pup for over 15 years. So my wife says, why don't you just call it the Bearded Pup? So there you have it. Our logo means a lot to us because it lets Roxie live on. Do something with heart and meaning. And that is awesome. That's an awesome story. I never knew where that logo came from. I've never used Bearded Pup products before, so this will be a first for me, but that story is absolutely amazing. So let's see what we have in here. We've got a sticker with Roxie and the beard. And that name won't be hard for me to remember because my wife used to have a dog named Roxie. So let's see what we have here. Doug, thanks for the opportunity to be a part of Year of the Beard. We hope you enjoy our products. Our biker's blend is leather and cedar and usually a solid number 2 in sales. Thanks, Ron Sowers. So guess that means we've got some Biker's Blend in here. Keep digging out some cards. There's another sticker right there. And we've got our business card. So there's one side and there is the other. American flag, Roxy, the bearded pup. So we've got packing peanuts. So let's just dig in and see. Let's just empty out the box first, and then we'll go through some stuff. All right, so I think that is it. Now let's just go with the butter first. A natural 3-ounce beard butter. No beeswax, no bull crap. Get you some. Check out this tub. This is probably the first one I've seen, and there's an ant. This is probably the first tub like this I've seen, actually. Let's see, a special blend of 8 butters to nourish and moisturize your man mane and skin. Our beard butter is for deep moisturizing during the day or night. So yeah, it melted a little bit. It melted just a little bit. Oh, good whipped. You get a little bit of that carrier just in here, so I'm interested to get that in beard and see how it does. So let's get this in the shade so it doesn't melt again. All right, so we have beard wash and conditioner. So this is in Biker's Blend. So let's get a little whiff of this. Ooh, that smells good. Oh yeah. That is a manly scent. I don't know any other way to describe it. That is just a manly scent. So this is in an 8-ounce plastic, kind of a dark colored plastic bottle. And our conditioner, it comes with a white cap so you can tell the difference in the shower. This is the conditioner, again 8-ounce, and it is Biker's Blend as well. Oh yeah, that is absolutely amazing. All right, so then we have Biker's Blend in the 2-ounce balm. Let's see if this did. So let's go around the label here. We've got the white containers, which is definitely something that's gonna stand out on the beard shelf. Please don't be melted. No, it's not. Let's see what kind of consistency we got. Oh, that's smooth. Okay. Oh yeah, that smells really good. Really good. All right, so next, we got some bubble wrap. Let's get through the bubble wrap. What is this? Oh, all right, so we have Biker's Blend in the oil. So this is a 1-ounce oil. Let's try to get into this because these are always difficult to do, especially on camera. I'm outside, so I gotta kind of keep my trash together. So Biker's Blend in oil, a little shake. What did we say this was? Leather and cedar. So it's got kind of a clear, it's got a little yellow to it. Oh my gracious. That smells amazing. Guys, if you've used Bearded Pup, comment down below. Let me know what scent you used. I am definitely ready to get this in beard and smell that. Oh my gracious. That is like manly of manly. And then we have cologne spray in Biker's Blend. This is something new. I have not seen this before from a beard company. Not saying they don't have them, but I just hadn't seen them. So this is basically a spray cologne in the same scent, Biker's Blend. I don't want to spray any on me right now because I'm out here. Oh my, yeah. That, guys, I'm gonna tell you, I can understand why he said that it is in the top of their sales, because it is an amazing scent just in bottle and container. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back with you to you with some updates as to how, number one, how it's doing in my beard and how it smells once you warm it up, get it in beard, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna come back with some updates during the month of September. But you know me, I had to come at you with a unboxing so you can see what all we're gonna be testing out this month. So if you're unfamiliar with what Year of the Beard is 12 months, 12 companies. Each company gets their own month of their products. Whatever they decide to send is going in this beard. So check it out. There's a whole playlist. I'll put the card up top for the playlist. You can get over and check all those out. There will be a giveaway at the end of the year. And in order to be entered into that giveaway, you have to, number one, follow all 12 companies on Instagram. Number two, you have to be a subscriber to my channel. Number three, you have to comment on all the videos in that playlist, Year of the Beard. That's a lot of videos because we're doing an unboxing, we're doing about 4 updates, and we're doing a final thoughts. That's about 6 videos a month. Yeah, do the math. That's a lot of videos that you need to comment on, and it can be any comment, but you need to comment on them in order to be entered into that giveaway at the end of the year. So the giveaway is going to include products from all 12 companies. They are going to all send you something. The winner, whoever the winner is, they're going to get something from all 12 companies that we talk about this year, Year of the Beard. So sounds pretty good. Sounds like a pretty good giveaway in my opinion. Simple steps to enter. So check that out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on so you get notified when my videos drop. And yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.